All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do, how can you upload all the videos or pictures if someone comes to your house to destroy your property. So here I'm going to show you a little bit. So this is my house, as you can see. The guy came, black, destroyed my fence, and they just leave. So as you can see, I don't know why they switch places, but that is what happens. So I'm going to I'm going to forward it a little bit faster so that way you can see, and that's it. So that easy. So that is why you have to have multiple cameras, multiple angles, so that way you can catch them if they do anything. So as you can see, this is the neighbor. She was in front of my house and she saw everything and recorded everything, and this is crazy, but that happens all the time. So that is why you have to have multiple cameras, good neighbors and everything. And once you have that, also you can maybe, here I have the license plate. I don't know, I cannot see it like very well, but at least something is something. And once you have all the files, you select them, and when you click here on the link that they gave you, you're going to see this on their website. So just write whatever you want to write here, as you can see. So I say, okay, this is the license plate, the model, and everything. This was taken in my house. The other is the neighbors, and then you click submit. That's it. So basically, once you have that, and then you have to call them maybe in a month, 2 months, maybe nothing will happen. Who knows? I had another issue like that, and I did the same thing. It has been like a month and I don't have any news, but at least you can do something. So if you want to do this, this is the best way. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. See you next time.